Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. So we were discussing our chapter factors and multiples, and in the previous class we studied the prime factorization of numbers, right? And in that we discussed two methods to find the prime factorization, the factor tree method and the short division method. Okay, so today we are moving on to our next topic in the chapter, and it is the highest common factor or the HCF. We are going to find out the HCF of given numbers. Okay, so here as you see here you can see it is the highest common factor. So first, when the two numbers are given, we will find out the factor of those numbers, and then from that we will pick out the common factors and we will go for the highest one. Okay, so we will work out one example and then you will be clear how to find the highest common factor. Okay, so here we are given two numbers 30 and 50. 30 and 50. So we have to find the HCF of 30 and 50. So to find that, our first step is we will list down which all are the factors of 30 and 50. We know what are called factors, right? What is called factor? A factor is a number which divides the given number completely without leaving a remainder, right? So to find the factor, we will take these numbers one by one. First we will go for 30 and we will find out the factors of 30. And to get the factors of 30, what we have to check? Simply we will check which all pair of numbers gives the product 30. Okay, so which numbers gives the product 30? You can see that 1 into 30 gives 30. 1 into 30 gives 30. Then which pair of numbers gives the product 30? 2 into 15. 2 into 15 gives 30. Right. Then from the table of 3, it's 3 into 10. 3 into 10 gives 30. Right. Then in the next table, in the table of 4, 4 into no number gives 30. Right. We cannot find 30 in the table of 4. Then we'll go for the next one. It's 5 into 6. 5 into 6 gives 30. Then any other number. Again 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is also 30. Same numbers are there here now, 5 and 6. So we will write 5 into 6 is equal to 30 itself. Then any other numbers? No. So these pair of numbers gives the product 30. So which are the factors of 30? These numbers means the factors of 30. Right. So we can write the factors of 30. Factors of 30 is equal to, so the factors 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then 10, 15, 30. So these are the factors of 30. Okay. So now we will go for our next number, that is 50, and we will find out the factors of 50. The same way we will check for the pair of numbers which gives the product 50. So which all numbers gives the product 50? 1 into 50 gives 50. 1 into 50 gives 50. Then from the table of 2, 2 into 25. 2 into 25 gives 50. Right, 2 into 25 gives 50. Then 5 into 10 gives 50. 5 into 10 gives 50. Right. So these numbers gives the product 50. So the factors of 50. The factors of 50 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So these numbers, these are the factors of 50. Okay, so we got the factors. Now we will go for the common factors. So what is meant by common factors? So when we are looking at this list, we can see that some factors are there in both 30 and 50. Right. So which are they? 1. Look for 1. 1 is in 30 and it is also in 50. Right. Then 2. 2 is a factor of 30 as well as 2 is a factor of 50. Right. Then next 3. 3 is in 30. 3 is a factor of 30 but not a factor of 50. right? So we cannot say it is a common factor. Next, 5. 5 is both in 30 and 50. So 5 is a common factor which is common in 30 and 50. Next, 10. 10 is also common in 30 and 50. So these factors are common in both the numbers. So which are the common factors? Common factors of 30 and 50 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. So these are the common factors. Okay. Now, which is the greatest among this common factor? We have to find the highest one, right? It is the highest common factor, highest. So highest means what? We have to find the greatest. Which is the greatest here? 10 is greatest, right? So HCF of 30 and 50 is equal to 10. Highest common factor. The highest among the common factor. It is 10. So we got the HCF of 30 and 50. Okay. So moving to our next question. Here we are given the numbers 25 and 90 and we have to find the HCF of these numbers. So what is our first step to find the HCF? First we have to find the factors of the given numbers, right? So for that we will check which all pairs of numbers gives the product. Okay, so here first we are taking the number 25 and we know that these numbers, the pair of numbers which gives the product 25 are 1 into 25 is equal to 25, then 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so now we can write the factors of 25, right? So the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Okay, the next is the number 90 and these are the numbers, pair of numbers which gives the product 90. It is 1 into 90 equal to 90, 2 into 45 is equal to 90, 3 into 30 is equal to 90, 5 into 18 is equal to 90, 6 into 15 is equal to 90, 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Okay, so the factors of 90 are factors of 90 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, then 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. Okay, so these are the factors of 90. Okay, so we got the factors of two numbers. Next, after finding the factors, what we have to find? From these factors, we have to list down which are the common factors, right? So next, we will go for common factors. So from this list, we can find which all are the common factors. So which are the common factors? So look, we can take one by one. 1 is there in 25 and also in 90. So 1 is a common factor. Then 5. 5 is there in 25 and 90. So 5 is here. Then 25. 25 is in 25 is a factor of 25 but not a factor of 90. So it is not a common factor. And also the other factors of 90. These are also not common because these factors are not there in 25. Okay. So only two common factor is there. Which are they? 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors of 25 and 90. And it's not ended. We have to find the highest common factor also, right? So which is the highest one? The HCF of 25 and 90. We have to find the highest common factor. Which is the highest one? Highest among 1 and 5 is 5 itself. So the HCF of 25 and 90 is 5. Okay. So today we studied how to find the HCF of two numbers. So first we will list out the factors of the numbers. Then we will check which are the common factors. And from the common factors we will write which is the highest one. Okay. So hope you understood today's class. Thank you and we will meet in our next class. Okay.